This is Joe.
Hi, nice to meet you.
As you jump in, try and keep your feet in that box.
Okay.
Lean your shoulders back into the seat, yeah?
That was really quick. Thank you. God, it's so hot. It was so hot. You can feel the heat of the engine. You can breathe it in, and it was like a roller coaster, but even better because it goes really fast. He has like moving left and right, and when he slows down, the seatbelt literally pushes you down so you don't move around. But it was so loud in there, you can't even hear yourself talk. Yeah.
What did it feel like when you went round the corners?
Oh my God! When he went sharp corners, it literally moved.
Yeah. Wow.
But it was really fun, and I'd do it again, yeah?
You do it again, yeah?
Yeah, it's an amazing experience. And it goes so fast, you don't realise how fast it goes.
Yeah.
And you can tell because gravity literally just pushes you back. Yeah, and the heat as well from the engine is really hot in there. It's hard to breathe as well because it was going so fast, yeah.
So now you've done one practice lap, do you reckon you can drive next lap?
Yeah, probably.
Fun?
Yeah.